instant messaging is something fairly new as far as internet history anyway. It is an isosynchronous type of protocol. So in other words, we have to have somebody at both ends at the same time, the sender and receiver online at the same time, and it runs in what we call full duplex mode, that is to say two-way conversation, very similar to a phone call except through text on a phone or a computer. We did have an early sort of version of it called Internet Relay Chat, or IRC, which is still around, but it's not used nearly as much anymore. This was simply text back and forth on a computer. Today we use a lot of instant messaging on phones rather than computers, and we have a couple of other protocols we use more commonly today. XMPP, or Extensible Messaging and Presence Protocol, which is far more common, and WebSockets, which is an alternative protocol that we often use today for instant messaging.